Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to start your cartoon style project with speech bubbles. So we're going to use Adobe Illustrator, and I've already created some speech bubbles. So what we're going to do is, after you've logged in, you are going to open up File Explorer, and you're going to click on Student Common and go to Verbeek and French Immersion Project, and then open up Cartoon Bubbles. As soon as you've done that, make sure that you are going to save this as, because this is my file, it's my template right now, and you're not able to save in this location. So you're going to go File, Save As, and you will notice that I've created a Verbeek folder, but there will be folders with your group names on it right here, and that's what you need to save it into. So I'm going to click in Verbeek, and I'm going to say Speech Bubbles, Henry. And because you'll probably be doing several pages, one page per person in your group, say, I would recommend that you all do this. So put your own name on it, and then at the end, we can compile them. So you'll notice that I have 3 artboards. Right now, everything's on artboard 1, and I can go View, Fit Artboard in Window, and there are my speech bubbles. So that's how you get started. Thanks for watching.